Bawal na ang mga batang edad 12 at may height na 4'11 ay hindi pwedeng umupo sa harap ng kotse. It's about the Republic Act 11-22-9, which is known as the Child Safety in Motor Vehicle Act of 2019. Mayroong requirements na sinasabi ang LTO na dapat nating gawin once na nagkaroon na tayo ng anak. Ano ito? A child 12 years old and below must sit into the rear seat of the motor vehicle with standard child restraint system. Okay, so it is a requirements, bale, na magkaroon tayo ng ganitong klaseng upuan ng ating mga baby. Take note, 12 years old and below, dapat ang anak natin nakaupo saan? Sa likod, nakaupo, hindi sa harapan. Then, another considerations, aside from being at 12 years old, from the age of 12 years old, take note, class, bawal na ang mga batang edad 12 pababa at may height na 4'11 at pababa ay hindi pwedeng umupo sa harap ng kotse. So, kasi at first offense, pag nahuli tayo, mayroon tayong 1,000. Second offense, mayroon tayong 2,000. And then third and succeeding offense, take note, mayroon tayong 5,000 and suspension of our driver's license for 1 year.
Experience the trusted way to learn defensive driving. Enroll now.